How to play Pokémon on iPhone. First, you need to download Emulator app. Go to the App Store, search Delta Emulator. Now download this app. As you can see, I have already downloaded. After download, open the app. The app will look like this on the home screen. Now you have to load games in here. Those game files are called ROM files. Just Google it and figure it out how to get those files. Save the ROM file for a game you own in a directory using the Files app. Tap the plus icon on the top right corner. Tap on Files and locate the folder where you stored your ROM file. Tap on the files to import it into the Delta app. Now you should see the game being displayed along with its cover art in the app. Simply tap on it to launch the game. And that's how you can play Pokémon on iPhone. Thanks for watching.